mean, like Huawei is taking over the market. Hey guys, I'm in Huawei store right now, and I'm going to be showing you a few new latest Huawei products. There are new products in stock, and they are very, very beautiful. I want to show you guys the latest Huawei product we have in China right now. And please, if you have these products back home in your country, compare the prices and find out if they are the same with the ones here in China. I'm in the store right now. Let's take a look.
This is Huawei Pura X Max, released April 2026. It is Huawei's flagship horizontal foldable. It's a smartphone positioned as compact tablet when unfolded. This smartphone actually competes with devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and equally beats iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Huawei Pura X Max, and this is 10,999 RMB. I mean, like Huawei is taking over the market. And this is the same product here, and this is how it looks like when it's closed, and this is how it looks like when you open it. So you can see that they have different colors, and that's just for the basic price. I'm going to take you guys to the second section.
The Huawei Mate Pro Max, launched November 2026, competitor to the iPhone Pro Max, and the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, released November 2026. The Huawei Mate 80 slightly more affordable than the Mate 80 Pro.
Look at this product. Wow. I mean, like, nobody can ever tell you that Huawei beats iPhone. The camera is sophisticated. Let's take a look. This one is 7,999. Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max. And it's the same product here. Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Wow. This is the Pro Max. Why? This is the Pro. And now we're going to take you to the Huawei Mate 80, which is the basic type. You know, this one is 4,699 RMB. So if you look at these three products, we have the first class, the second class, and the third class.
This is the Huawei Mate XTS Ultimate. It is the world's first commercially available triple folding smartphone, launched September 2024, refreshed in 2025-2026 with updated trim. It folds like a book, then folds again.
Wow! Beautiful, sophisticated, and the best Huawei products that are out right now. You can't compare this product with iPhones. Just that Westerners won't tell you that Huawei is the best. They'll always tell you iPhone is the best. But I'm giving you the latest Huawei product in the market right now, and their prices. 这不是第一次给外国人握手？对对。你有没有给外国人握手吗？没有，没有吧？那你握手感觉什么样？手大，手大。太小了，我看。看你这个手。But my hands are bigger, so not more big. First time shaking the hand of a foreigner. All right, let's take a look at these new Huawei products we have. I'm right now in front of the MatePad section. Here we have the MatePad Air. Huawei, which is 3,099 RMB. Here we have the MatePad Pro. You can see, which is 3,999 RMB. Here we have the MatePad Mini, which is 3,299 RMB. You can see how it looks like, man. Wow. Here we have the Huawei MatePad Pro. Wow. You know, it comes at the cost price of 4,699 for the basic. You know, I'm giving you guys just the basic prices. And here's the Huawei MatePad Pro Max. This one comes at the cost price of 6,199 RMB. For those who know Huawei product very well, I think you will confirm with me in the comment section. Here we have the Huawei MateBook Fold. This one comes at the cost price of 23,999 for the basic. Take a look at the Huawei watches. And here are the Huawei boys. They are all very, very enthusiastic to sell their products. Let's say hi. Very good. When you go into the Huawei stores in China, you'll find out that all the workers are very polite and professionals. So, following the restrictions placed on Huawei technology in the US since 2018, Huawei smartphones and other devices have become very difficult to find there, with sales limited mostly to third-party sellers. I hope that the ongoing trade war or trade dispute between US and China, can eventually be resolved through fair and balanced dialogue, so that the common man like me can enjoy new innovations and technologies. Guys, if you need to buy any Huawei products here in China, make sure you check the verified stores before making a purchase. You can as well let me know in the comment section if you would like to connect with the required stores here in China, and then I can do that for you. Don't also forget to check my other video on DJI Osmo Pocket. I did a lot on that video. Please check it out. Anyways, that's it for our Huawei exploration for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and we will talk about it. Until then, see you in the next one. Ciao. I'm out.